Hey, hello, welcome to DIY Cooking with Connie. Today we're going to work on a Christmas in July project for you. What we're going to do, these are going to be two really easy DIY Christmas projects. Now while it's getting hot in most areas, you could sit down, you could do this in the air conditioning. If you've got younger kids, this first one especially, they would be able to do this. It's super easy. It's going to cost almost nothing. So what we've done is we've just had some scrap fabric. We've torn that, sewed it, tore it, however you want to do. You can make these whatever length you'd like to make them. We're going to be making Christmas garland. And so we've cut them, I don't know, maybe 6 inches, but you make them whatever length you want. So we've got some of these cut, and then we did the same with another type of material. It frays a little bit more, which I really like. And we're going to kind of make a pattern. So we've cut these two. They don't need to be the same length. Just do it however you'd like to. So Mom has already started on our project.
I'm learning.
And let me move that over here and kind of show you. So we're just going to keep tying these. This is the pattern that we've done. We're doing 4 of these, and then we're putting the cream color in. And you do it however you want to do it. A yellow would be pretty in there. A blue, just however you want to do it. Make your string. We've just got some twine that we had. You could use any type, butcher, twine, anything that you want. Yarn. We put a little loop at the end so we can hook it around a nail or whatever kind of clip that you've got to use.
And you could hang it crossways or
you could put
down.
Yeah, crossways, straight down. Put it across your fireplace mantle. You could even wrap it around like a lamp, like a chandelier, drape it around the bottom of that. You could do many things with it, make it as long as you need.
I think also you could, put your centerpiece in, and it can also be around that centerpiece on your table.
Yeah, you could do that. Just make a circle around your centerpiece.
Or a candle.
Put a candle in there. There's a lot of things you could do with this, and this is just scrap material that we're using. So what we'll do is we're gonna show you another project, and then at the end, we'll work on these for a while, and then we'll kind of show you all 3 of them at the end when we get done. So let's move these off to the side for now. And this other project is basically the same type project. The only thing that we're doing that's different is the way that we're putting the material onto the string or the cord, whatever you're using. So I had this now this does not fray, it's got some knit in it, and so it's not fraying. So this is just going to be hung up, same exact thing. I've got them a little bit different lengths. You could do it like this if you wanted to put a little piece of lace in between and tie something small. If you wanted to put a little ribbon in between, anything at all, you could do it however you want. So all you're going to do with that is cut your pieces of material. I've got a long piece of material. I kind of like to start it where one side, the front side, is a little bit longer than the back side, but you do it how you want to. And then we're just going to take it across the front, and we'll come across the back with the tail, and we're just going to come right through the hole. That's all that we're going to do. And then with this material, because you can tell the difference between the front and the back, I would just need to, for instance, you can see that one's a back. It's very flexible. I'm just going to turn it some so that then I have it in the back. So really, really easy. You could do this with any kind of material. What I like with this is this could be used for Valentine's Day as well. So if you're making it for Christmas, then you would be able to also just keep it right up, use it again for Valentine's Day.
I guess you can fix these for any holiday.
Any holiday that you want. And you could add, if you wanted to add, let's say you're doing pink for Valentine's Day, red, white, and pink, then you could just add a couple little pink small ones in between. Any type of embellishing you'd like to. Even a couple little pink flowers along the top or black.
It'd be cute for baby showers.
Yeah, it'd be very cute for a baby shower. So we're going to go across the front again, and then we're just going to take the tails and loop them right through the front there. My hands don't work real good. I have osteoarthritis and they don't work real good, so it takes me a minute.
My daughter and I do projects like this all the time. We like each other's company very well, and seem like two heads are better than one, and we get things accomplished.
Although we do butt heads.
Oh, sometimes.
We're both a little hard-headed, so we do think our way is better sometimes.
We're pretty much alike.
Yeah, we are very much alike, but we do have some different ideas that we like to throw around.
She's a little more modern than I am.
Okay, I'm going to do one more of those, and then we are going to move on to our last project, which is probably even easier than what we just showed you. So anyway, you can kind of see that's what we've started there. Super easy garland to use for whatever you'd like to use it for. All right, let's set this aside. Let me get my glue gun moved over here a little bit more. Now these are going to be a really easy, simple pillow. And I got these placemats. Actually, I got these last year at a discount store. This just says Merry Christmas. And then I got the plaid, which I thought would go good on the back. This is double-sided. And then I got a black plaid. So what we're going to do is, you can see on a placemat where it's been folded under. So that would be the wrong side, or the side that you would want to put in where the pillow would be touching. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take these corners, kind of get them lined up here a little bit. So we're going to have this on this side of our pillow, and then we'll have this on this side of our pillow. And all we're going to do is we're going to take a glue gun, start in whatever corner you want to. If you don't want to use a glue gun, I've lost my glue stick. Don't know where my glue stick went to. Let's get another one
Probably
in
in the
here.
floor.
If you don't like to use glue sticks and you want to use another type of fabric glue, that'd be perfectly fine. Just
Or sew it.
it's just going to take a little bit longer. Sewing would be super, super easy. I know that not everybody has a sewing machine. This glue gun lacks, it's just coming out in globs. Mom, I think your glue gun's about had it.
It still burns you. So, but you know, even that hemming tape would work.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and start at this corner. Yeah, the hemming tape would work perfectly fine. I mean, you could even Velcro as far as that goes, but then you're getting into a little bit of money. This is, you know, very inexpensive to do it like this. Let's get it back up here. Hopefully you're seeing all this. We can't see our camera from here, so, and we don't have anyone else here to help us along, so hopefully you're able to see this. Okay, so we'll get the glue down there. Get these corners done. Smash that down. Make sure you be careful and don't burn yourself.
Doesn't take very long to put it together.
Get me another glue stick here.
It doesn't take very long to put it
It
together.
doesn't take very long at all.
If your glue gun works right.
If the glue gun, yeah, was this one's a little tiny one, so it does not hold very big glue sticks.
Yeah, I always used it to when I decorate hats.
Oh yeah, Mom's a big red hatter, and so she's got lots of red hats that she has decorated over the year.
I paint them and I decorate them.
Now, let me say this. If this bothers you that these two ends are going to, oh, I got off there a little bit, but that these two ends are going to kind of be like that, and you prefer it be wrong side out, then all you need to do is turn it wrong side out, and then you could flip it over. So what we're gonna do is finish up this corner real quick. And I've got it off a little bit, trying to hurry, but you're gonna get the idea here. Okay, so we've got one end open here. So what we're gonna do, that's where we're gonna put our pillow. Now, we're gonna go really cheap, and we're just gonna use plastic bags for this. Because
Let me get them out for you.
well, the plastic bags are all stuck in. I should have taken a bunch of those out. I use plastic bags, especially if I'm going to put pillows outside on my porch. I'll just use plastic bags. So we're going to fill it with plastic bags. Put as many as you want to in there until we get it completely full. Okay, so we're going to keep working on it, but you can kind of see we'll keep filling it with plastic bags. Then all you'll need to do, take the glue stick along this end, zip it up, or not zip it up, but glue it up, fluff it up, and see you've got your trim just like you sewed it. You can even sew on the outside of this if you prefer.
Put
So
lace around
we'll
it.
show you the, yeah, you can put lace around it, you can put little pom-poms on the end, you can do all kinds of things. So you get tired of this, we just flip it over. If you've got two of these, then you could put one like this and then put the Merry Christmas on the other side like we will have. So we will show you the finished projects when we get them all done, and we'll get a picture of those to post at the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching Mom's videos. If you'd like to see more, we always appreciate you giving us a thumbs up. And if you want to know when she's doing more videos, then click on the little bell. That is a notification. It will notify you that she's just got a new video that's been released.
Subscribe to us.
And we'd love for you to subscribe, get Mom over 300 subscribers. That would be awesome. So thanks again, and Merry Christmas in July.
And I'm learning with you today.